Repairing a magic bullet with damaged gears. Firstly, get yourself some new gears. I couldn't find a local supplier, so I got them online from China. The cost was very low and they arrived within 10 days. Remove the cup lid and hold the base blades tight with a towel or cloth, doubled over several times. Now you'll need some wide-jawed grips. The ones I'm using are lockable, which makes the task even easier. The gears have a reverse thread, so you'll need to turn clockwise to release. Once it is loose, you can unthread the gear by hand. Now to install the new gear by turning it anti-clockwise by hand, and then finish tightening it up using the grips. Make sure it is tight, but don't overdo it, as you could damage the gear. Now on to removing the transparent base gear. It goes without saying, but at this point make sure the unit is disconnected from the power socket. I'll quickly mention that trying to lock the base by placing a flathead screwdriver in the slot at the bottom is virtually impossible, as the slot isn't very deep. So my preferred method is to remove the 4 rubber feet, prying them out with a small screwdriver. Underneath every rubber foot is a small cross-headed screw, so I will quickly remove them. Now to remove the base cover, prying it off with a small flat-headed screwdriver. Grab your towel or cloth, doubled over again, and tightly hold the white motor ventilator. At the opposite end, grab the transparent gear with your grips and turn clockwise to release. Like before, you can take it off by hand once it is loose. Take the new gear and thread it on by turning it anti-clockwise. As before, finish tightening the gear using the grips and don't over tighten, as you could damage the gear. Back on with the base cover. Insert and tighten the 4 screws. And push the rubber feet back in each hole. A quick test and all is good. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.